Connect your hands together and make sure you push through each other's palms. Flyers, bend over, presenting your shoulders to the base. Remember, tell the base a secret. If you don't, a couple of common mistakes we see is the flyer pushing their shoulders too far forward, or they keep their back flat and their legs are really tall. So we want you to curl into a ball. So tell the base a secret, push into your shoulders and come down into the base. Bases, you're going to bring your knees as deep as you can. Think happy baby in yoga. You're going to stay like this until the fly jumps onto your feet and stops moving. Then you'll push your legs straight towards the roof. When setting up for the feet on the flyer, bases, you should feel your flyer's clavicle and your toes, the ball of your foot will come into this hole right here. So this is a test, everyone can check this. Get your fingers, which will be your toes, grab the clavicle bone and you'll feel the hole in your chest. Everyone has this hole, doesn't matter what body shape you are, and that's where the ball of the foot and your toes will go, right there, in this hole right here. And then the foot will wrap over the back. If your feet are too wide behind the fly's head, it will make balancing hard because their head will just pass between your feet. So bases, when setting up, make sure your ankles are always touching. This will make it easier for balancing. Flyers, hinge at the hips to present your shoulders to your base. Bases, bringing the ball of your foot into the hole under the fly's clavicle, then connect your ankles together. Bring your knees deep into your chest so it's easier for the flyer to jump. Flyers, when jumping up, think about not being a rabbit. So don't waste your energy trying to jump and move, and this also makes it harder for the base. Instead, think of a dolphin jumping out of the ocean. It's graceful, it's one clean jump. So take your breath and on the exhale, jump up only once. And if you miss, come down. Bases, you just wait. A common mistake is when the flyers keep their arms straight. This tilts their body and makes it harder to balance. Or their bum is falling behind them and they're pulling on their base's arms. So keep your elbows bent at 90 degrees. This will make it easier for the balance. Bases, keep your arms and your legs straight over your hips and your shoulders. Flyer, bend forward, base, connect to the shoulders. Flyers, tell the base a secret. Jump like a dolphin, your hips roll over your head, straighten your legs up to the sky. Base, when the flyer has stopped moving, push your legs up tall, and so you should be up in star. Flyer, when coming down, make sure you look where you're landing. Make sure the ground is safe. So look to the floor first, then slowly bring your feet to the floor. Bases, don't change your shape. Just hold and be as stable as possible. This gives the flyer time to come down and land on their feet. Thanks for watching that whole video. Really appreciate it. Follow us on all the socials, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Check out our website, expresswithme.com, for more tutorials. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, so keep following us. Check out if you want to know any more, if you want some privates as well, you'll find that all on our website. Have a great day.